Improving the performance of CS2 can significantly enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your settings and boost performance. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, which can improve performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings. Navigate to the settings menu and reduce options like texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing. This can help increase frame rates and overall performance. Step 3. Optimize system settings. Close unnecessary background applications before launching the game. Use the task manager to end tasks that are not needed, freeing up system resources for CS2. Step 4. Check hardware specifications. Ensure your computer meets the minimum requirements for CS2. If your hardware is outdated, consider upgrading components like RAM, CPU, or GPU to improve performance. Step 5. Use performance mode. Switch your power settings to high performance in your operating system. This can prevent your computer from throttling performance to save energy, allowing CS2 to run more smoothly. By following these steps, you should see a noticeable improvement in your CS2 performance. Enjoy your gaming experience.